is Rushali here. Today we are going to learn how to find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So I already told you how to find out the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix in my previous video. So here consider the matrix A having element A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we have to find out the determinant of this matrix. Okay, so here is a 3 rows and 3 columns. That means this one is the 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to write down the determinant of A is nothing but here. Before finding out the determinant of this matrix, we have to write down the at the top of the first row we have to write down the plus, minus, plus for simplicity. Okay, now let us consider this first row. Okay, so determinant of matrix A, 3 by 3 matrix A. So first we have to take the first row, first element. Okay, this one we have to take this one, first row, first element. Just write down here A into multiplication of something. Okay, so multiplication of something means what? If here we are considering first element. Okay, that means we just have to exclude first row and first column, and whatever is remaining we have to take the determinant of that. So here is a E, F, H, I. So we have to take the determinant of that one. E, F, H, I. Okay, so this is here is a 2 rows and 2 columns. That means this one is nothing but the 2 by 2 matrix. So I already told you how to find out the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix in my previous lecture. So now second one. So our job is not over yet. We have to find out the further. Okay, now this is the first row, and we have to take the we already took this first row, first element here. Now we have to take the first row, second element. Okay, so this B is the second one. Okay, so B is the first row, second element. Just write down here. Here is a minus B. Okay, we write here plus sign and then plus A. Okay, now here is a minus sign at the top of the first this element. That's why we have to write here minus B. Okay, we have to write down here minus B into multiplication of something. So what is this? So we have to write down. We have to just exclude this first row into second column, and whatever is remaining we have to take the determinant of this. So just write down here D, F, and here is G, I. Okay, this is again 2 by 2 matrix, right? Next. Okay, now second one. We already write here first element into whatever is remaining. Just exclude first row, first column, and whatever is remaining we have to take the determinant of that. And minus B, second element of the first row. So just exclude first row, second column, and whatever is remaining we have to take the determinant of that. Now we have to take a third element in a first row. So this one is a third element. Okay, this is a first row, and this one is a third element. So plus C. We have to write here plus C because there is a plus sign, right? So plus C into whatever is remaining we have to take the determinant of that. So plus C is the first row and third column, just third column. That means we have to exclude first row and third column, and whatever is remaining we have to take the determinant of that. Then simply D, E, G, H, and this is again 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, likewise we can find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so now we'll see this example. Let us consider this matrix as A. Suppose matrix A is equal to this one, 1 3 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 2 3 1. Okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. That is, this one is the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now we have to find out the determinant of A. So what is the determinant of A. So this one is the formula I already explained. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to put at the top of the first row this sign plus minus plus. Okay, now by using this formula we have to take a first element of the first row. So take a first one, this one. Okay, I can directly write down 1. Okay, 1 into whatever is remaining, we have to take the determinant of that. So just exclude first row, first column, minus 1, 1. Then okay, so there is a minus 1, minus 3, 3, 1. Okay, so I have to put here minus 1, minus 3, 3, 1. 2 rows, 2 columns. That is, this matrix is like a 2 by 2 matrix, and you know how to find out the 2 by 2 matrix. Now next one is what? We have to take the second element of the first row. Okay, so here this one is the second element. So minus 3. You have to put a minus 3 over here. Minus 3 into multiplication of whatever is remaining, you have to take the determinant of that. So this one we have to exclude second column and first row. So remaining is minus 3, 2, 1. Okay, here is a minus 3, 2, 1. Okay, now next, third element in a first column. Sorry, third element in a first row. So we have to take this one. Okay, this 2. So here is a plus sign. That's the plus 2 over here. So plus 2 into remaining 1. So just exclude first row and third column, just remaining this minus 3, minus 1, 2, 3. So I have to put here, right, this minus 3, minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is actually very important job. If you do this, then everything would be easy. Okay, so all these things are 2 by 2, 2 row, 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 columns. That means we can easily find out the determinant of this. Okay, now we'll solve this. So in first case 1. Okay, so first minus 1 into 1, 1, minus 1. Okay, I can directly write down here. Determinant of A is equal to 1 into bracket minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 into 3, 3 is a 9, minus 9. Okay, so is a minus 9. Okay, so next is a minus. Next here is a minus 3. Now is a minus 3. That's why I will write here minus 3. And minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus 3 into 2, 3 to the 6, minus 6. Yeah. And another one plus 2. Next is a plus 2 into 3 3s are 9, minus 9. Minus 2 1s are 2, minus 2. Okay, so here minus minus plus, so here is a minus minus plus, that's why here is a minus 1 plus 9. Okay, so 9 minus 1 is a 8, greater number sign is a plus, that's why here is a plus 8. Next, minus 3 outside, so minus minus, again here is a minus minus plus, so minus 3, minus 3, minus minus plus, that's why 6. So 6 minus 3 plus minus minus, 6 minus 3, 3, greater number sign is the 3. Okay, so into 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9. So here is a minus 9. In this case, minus minus again plus. So minus 9 plus 2. So 9 minus 2 would be 7. Greater number sign is minus. So minus 7. So minus 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So minus 14. Okay. So 8 minus 9 minus 14. So answer would be 9 minus 1. 8 minus 9 is the minus 1. Minus 14. So answer will be minus 15. So minus 15 is the answer of this determinant. Okay, this is very easy. By this way we can easily find out the determinant of any 3 by 3 matrix. I hope you can understand this thing. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this video. Okay, bye, take care.